Hello. Hello, Mama. Look here. We have a house for baby playground. Very nice. The style. I like the style. Like this. Oh, wow. And here all for playing. And so clean the garden here, Mama. It's very, very nice. So every Sunday, I come here to jogging exercises like that. And over there, the flower and many things. This is very, very big playground for the kids and for adults also for exercises. Oh, free only. Yeah, very nice. Over there they have play cleaning. Somebody they cleaning, and then here they can climb up the kids like that, and all from there. It's so nice. I go also over the side, so very